Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually replace Word right here in Microsoft Word document. If you notice right here, this is Word document right here. Document, we want to change all the word that's a document to photo. But before we do that, we want to highlight them to show exactly where they are. So we want to come right up here. So say find, click on the little pointer right here. Which is when I click on home, I'll come right here. And they're going to click on advanced find. Now when you click on advanced find, know what you wanted to do right here. So just type your document right there. So you want to type your document. So when you type your document right there, notice right here that's a read highlight. I click. It says select all. I close it. If you notice all of the documents highlight, now we're going to change all of these highlight document to photo at once. You notice one inside here, one here, actually all line. Alright, so what we want to do, we want to replace the word document with photo. So you're going to come right here, that's a replace. I notice we already have a document right here. So notice this is self with the word photo. Right, so just type in your photo. You notice right here, it's a replace. So I want to replace all of them. So click right there. You notice all done. Right, we made 6 replacement. You notice 6 replacement. They're gonna close it. Right, and if you notice, right, the first one up in here, sit right here. So right, go back here and give it highlight, and you see all of them were just changed a while ago. Show you all just all of them so far. When you click right here, so no. Alright, if you notice, all of what is see photo or document right there. So we actually change everything. So this is where we can actually replace words right here in the Microsoft Word document. So hope you have learned something from this video here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next